Hi children, this is your inner sir, and today I have come up with a new lesson on simplification, and our first sum reads like this. If we multiply a fraction by itself and divide the product by its reciprocal, 1826 by 27 is obtained. The original fraction is what? Let us read again. If we multiply a fraction by itself and divide the product by its reciprocal, 1826 by 27 is obtained. The original fraction is what? So, first of all, let us take the fraction b x. So, in this type of a questions, what we need to do? Whatever information is given, we have to transfer that information into equation. So what information is given? If this fraction is multiplied by itself means what? X into x. So what product you get? X into x you get. And then to this product, if you divide by this fraction's reciprocal, what would be the reciprocal of this x? Reciprocal of this x will be 1 by x. So divided by 1 by x is equal to this number. What is that number? 1826 by 27. Clear? Let us simplify our left hand side. X into x, x square. Let us change this division into multiplication. Into x is equal to, let us change this into improper fraction. So 27 into 18. 8 7 ja 56. 5. 16 plus 5. 21. And 27. 6 8 4. Now you have to add 26. So 6 plus 6, 12, 1, 11, 1, 5. So what you get? 512 by 27. Clear? So x cube is equal to 512 by 27. So you have to find the cube root of this 512 and cube root of 27. What is cube root of 27? 3 we know, because we can break 27 into 3 into 3 into 3. And one factor will be the cube root of 27, 3. In the same way, let us break this 512 into 2 into 256. Clear? 2 into 16 into 16, or 2 into 8 into 2 into 8 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. 8. How many 8s you got? 3 8s. So cube root of 512 is what? 8. So your x will be 8 by 3. That means if you change this into mixed fraction, you get 2 by 3. 2 3 are 6, 8 by 3. Where your B is the right answer. I think you understood how to solve this type of a question. So, our second problem reads like this. The smallest fraction which should be subtracted from the sum of 1 3 by 4, 2 1 by 2, 5 7 by 12, 3 1 by 3 and 2 1 by 4 to make the result a whole number. Let me read again. The smallest fraction which should be subtracted from the sum of 1 3 by 4, 2 1 by 2, 5 7 by 12, 3 1 by 3 and 2 1 by 4 to make the result a whole number. That means we should add all these fractions what are given. And next we should to find which is the nearest whole number. So from the nearest whole number we have to subtract this sum. So whatever the answer we get, that will be the answer. So let us add. So 1 3 by 4 plus 2 1 by 2 plus 5 7 by 12 plus 3 1 by 3 plus 2 1 by 4. We change this into improper fraction. 4 1 ja 4 plus 3 7 by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus 67 by 12 plus 10 by 3 plus 9 by 4. What will be LCM? LCM will be 12. 4 3 ja 3 7 ja 21. 2 6 ja 6 5 ja 30. 67. 3 4 ja 4 10 ja 40 plus 4 3 ja 3 9 ja 27. Let us add 1 8 7 15 5 1 3 13 18 by 12. So let us check which is the nearest whole number for this. So how many times it will go? 1 5. So smaller than this one is smaller than this. So this is the whole number. So what we should do? From this we subtract this. From this we subtract this and we find the least fraction. So 185 by 12 minus 15 by 1. I think you understood the logic here. The nearest whole number for this fraction is 15. We checked this one. Clear? And same is 12. 180 minus 15 12 ja, this is 185. 15 12 ja 180. That is 5 by 12. That means if we subtract 5 by 12 from this fractions sum, then we get what? A whole number we get. Understood? So, I think you understood how to solve this type of a question. So 5 by 12 is your answer. So A is the right choice here. Now your third question reads like this. A boy was asked to multiply a number by 12. A boy was asked to multiply a number by 12. By mistake, he multiplied the number by 21. What did he do? By mistake, he multiplied that number by 21. Then what happened? And got his answer 63 more than the correct answer. More than the correct answer means what? By multiplying that number by 12, that would be the right answer. But what he did? Instead of multiplying by 12, he multiplied by 21. So he got 63 more than the original answer. Now, you have to find what was the original number. So, same thing I told you, whatever information is given, we should transfer that into equation. So, let that number be x. Let the number be x. So the original product should be what? 12x. That means he should multiply that by 12. So 12x. What did he do? He multiplied by 21. So 21x. So what is the difference between this and this? Given 63. So 21x minus 12x is how much? 9x is equal to 63 or x is equal to 7. What is your x? Real number. So the original number is 7. Clear? So the trick is very simple. Whatever information is given, you need to transfer that information into what? Equation. That is very, very important. So, your next sum reads like this. A farmer divides his herd of cows among his 4 sons. That means that farmer has 4 sons and he has a number of cows in his herd. What did he do? He divided the cows among his 4 sons. In what way? So that first son gets 1/2 of the herd. So whatever total cows are there, half of the cows he gave to his first son. Second son, 1/4. 1/4 of the total cows he gave to second son. 1/5 to third son. And the fourth son got 7 cows. So now you have to find the number of cows in the herd. And this question appeared in Railways 2006. Clear? So let us take the farmer has X cows. Clear? So according to the question, the first son he gave to first son how many cows? X by 2. Second son, X by 4. Third son, X by 5. Clear? 1/4, 1/5. Clear? And your fourth son got 7 cows. This is equal to what? Total cows, X. This is equal to what? Total cows, X. So let us simplify our left hand side. Your LCM will be what? 20. Clear? 2 10 ja 10 into x 10x. 4 5 ja 5 into x 5x. 5 4 ja plus 4x plus 7 20 ja 140 is equal to x. So let us take that 20 to that side and add this 10, 15, 19. 19x plus 140 is equal to 20x. Or take this 19x to other side. This side is plus. That side it will become minus. So 20x minus 19x is equal to 140. So x is equal to 140. What is your x? The number of cows that farmer has. So your B is the right answer. I think you understood today's sums, and tomorrow again I come up with some a new lesson. Till then, have a nice day and thanks for listening.